Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got something pretty special. So it's a button back from Gavin from Dynamic Inertia. He customized this thing for me. It is my button from the OG triangle. And yeah, I am really excited. Waited quite a bit for this one, but yeah, Gavin got it done. But yeah, really excited about this one. He made a version of these for himself with his buttons. But yeah, he offered them to me. I just couldn't say no. So yeah, God, he packs these things really well. Damn, Gavin. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Finally was able to get it out. Now there's more tape. Awesome. There we go. Alright, finally. What do we have here? Oh, we got this thing. God damn. Gavin, you really made sure this was sealed properly. Appreciate it. Alright, there we go. It's a good way to lock this thing. Alright, there we go. Interesting. Very interesting. My buttons, we'll go over those first. I'll take a look at these later. But yeah, here are my buttons. Wow, so there's a ruby. So if you guys didn't know, these were flat and Gavin dished them out. So yeah, this is my triangle. Finally, I just have these thinner buttons on this thing with some shims. I can finally put the buttons on. Oh my god. This is amazing. At last, they are back together. Damn, I love the ruby in the center. It's like, I don't know, it feels really nice. God, did I miss these buttons. Thank you, Gavin, again for customizing these. Even they match the body and the button, kinda. But yeah, this is amazing. Got the rubies give it an extra touch. It's just like, feels nice. Very good. All right, on to the next thing. So this is the mini cap collision, or the nano, I think it's called, in tungsten. That is pretty unique. I've never seen a spinner this small, and still got a R188 bearing. Pretty impressive. But yeah. It's pretty fun, but I think too small even for me. Let me get my scale, my calipers. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Actually, I want to test out this thing and see what the weight is on this thing. 154. That's amazing weight. Now this thing is 47 for tungsten. Wow, crazy. Okay. And the size for this thing, 24.5. Wow, this is same like as the buttons. That's crazy. 13, 8.6. Button height is 11. Interesting. Okay, on to the next thing, the copper infused work. Interesting. Definitely does weigh a lot more than a regular work. Does smell a bit, not as much as copper would smell. It's interesting. Plates are interesting too. And this thing is 54. Nice. So basically, this thing weighs as much as this thing. Almost. This is really good. I wish they had like stainless steel infused works. 47, 29, and 15.9. Yeah, interesting. All right, let us move on to this thing. The new Cyber Ball for Metal Toys. I think this is how you play with it. Yeah, I'll definitely do separate videos on these as well later on. Pretty fun, actually. A lot more fun than I thought it would be. Yeah, this is really fun. Again, this is just the first impressions video. I'll definitely take a closer look at all of these. This, I believe, is called the Aura slider. Too quick. So this side feels like it's Teflon. This side stainless steel. I remember watching Gavin's video on this thing. I will not be opening this thing up for sure. I do not want to deal with that. Yeah, I mean, like, it's... One sec. Where's my wrap? I mean, I think for the price of this thing, I'm not exactly sure. I think they're like 130, 150, if I remember. Or just somewhere near the like 100, low hundreds mark. I think the best option to go at that price range is the Wrap Lite, the new one that just came out. I will be getting one soon. Don't know when yet. So yeah, just keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I mean, I'll be doing more in-depth videos on all of these soon. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And yeah, just keep an eye out for those videos if you guys want to see them. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.